Today I'm back with something most people have never heard about. The real benefit of collagen. Everyone talks about collagen for skin, hair, nails, joints, and wrinkle prevention. But the true purpose of collagen goes far beyond beauty, and most people have no idea what it actually does. Before we get into the surprising part, let's go back in time for a moment. Our ancestors ate completely differently from how we eat today. They consumed animals' nose to tail, organ meats, bone marrow, connective tissue, cartilage, and long-cooked stews made from joints and bones. All of this gave them a massive amount of collagen naturally. Collagen makes up about 30% of all the protein in the human body. It's the backbone of your connective tissue, the glue that keeps your body together. It forms your tendons, ligaments, fascia, the tissue that wraps everything, cartilage, and even a significant portion of your bones. But today, we mostly eat tender cuts of muscle meat, chicken breast, filet, very little lean pieces, very little collagen, which contain very little collagen. Modern diets supply only about 1/3 in collagen, while the body is built around 30%. That mismatch creates deficiencies, especially in one critical amino acid, glycine. At around 7 your collagen levels are at their peak. You're resilient, flexible, and can take a hit without getting injured. But as the decades pass, collagen steadily declines. By age 75, you may have lost up to 80% of the collagen you once had. That's why skin sags, wrinkles form, joints deteriorate, and tissues become fragile. Now, collagen absolutely helps with those things, but those aren't its primary roles. Collagen's surprising benefits. Collagen acts like an antioxidant because it boosts glutathione, one of the liver's most powerful protectors. It also helps regulate your sleep cycles, and since glycine is essential for repairing the gut lining, collagen plays a big role in preventing and healing leaky gut. Without enough glycine, deep sleep suffers, detoxification slows, and tissue repair and tissue drops. But here's where collagen becomes really interesting. Most people imagine that when they eat collagen in food or powder, it simply becomes collagen in the body. That's not how it works. Around 9% of the collagen you ingest breaks down into individual amino acids, but about 10% remains as peptides, short chains of amino acids. Why peptides matter? These peptides act as signals. They enter the bloodstream, collagen in the build intact, and tell the body to repair and rebuild acted intact in the collagen-rich tissues. They activate fibroblasts, the cells responsible for making collagen and elastin. This affects your skin, joints, ligaments, tendons, arteries, and gut lining. Elastin makes tissues flexible and resilient. When elastin decreases with age, tissues stiffen, wrinkle, and lose bounce. What's amazing is that other proteins, steak, chicken, fish, eggs, whey protein, they do not provide this signaling effect. They give you amino acids but zero collagen-specific peptides. Collagen is unique because it provides both the raw material and the command system to rebuild your tissues. Best ways to increase collagen. You can take a collagen supplement, but food sources work too. Chicken skin and fish skin bone broths made from joints, knuckles, or cartilage bone marinos. To tail dishes like chicken feet stews, grass-fed, grass-finished meats, tougher but naturally higher in collagen. Grain-fed, tenderized feed. Lot meats might taste softer but contain far less collagen. Personally, I add a scoop of collagen to my morning coffee. No sugar, just cream and collagen. It dissolves easily and makes the coffee slightly creamier. Nutrients that help collagen work to turn collagen into healthy connective tissue. You need supporting nutrients, especially vitamin C, biotin, copper, and other trace minerals. That's why a diverse diet is important. And since we're on this topic, I made a detailed video earlier about improving hair, skin, and nails using collagen. If you missed it, it's definitely worth watching.